What up, what up? Just pulled up to one of my clients and their weeds are a bit out of control. So I'm gonna talk to them about doing a reno here. Maybe not a reno, he's just renting this house. So maybe we'll just try to beat this stuff with herbicides and fertilizer. But I'll show you guys when we get out of the truck what this yard looks like. It is wild. It is crabgrass galore over here. Look how tall those stalks are. That's crazy. That's craziness. Yeah, so I think we will do pre-emerge it for sure. That's not gonna beat it though. That's not gonna be enough. We're gonna have to do actual herbicides here. The best way to beat all this is just literally to tear it all out and start over. But because he's a renter, I don't think that's gonna be a possibility unless he wants to invest that kind of money, but I'm not gonna push that. So let's mow this stuff down. See how it looks after we mow. Look at this stinking salad bar of weeds. We got crabgrass, clover, and then there's some Dallas grass over here. All these long, nasty stalks. It's gonna take a lot to get this yard back to being just Bermuda. I'm excited for it though. We'll see if the client wants to do it as well. Just got done mowing that one. That is clover and crabgrass salad. I'm gonna really have to wash my mower off after mowing that yard, but it is what it is. Talk to him about putting down some good pre-emergent. We'll see what he wants to do. Like I said earlier, he's a renter, so doing a full renovation where we just rip out all the grass and resod. He mentioned wanting to do that, but I was like, well, are you really wanting to invest that money in a property that you're not gonna stay in long-term? Well, we'll talk to him about it again, but I think we've got another pretty decent project yard coming up with this one, similar to Miss B. We'll see if we can bring this struggling lawn back to life, see if we can revive it. So let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, do all the good things to keep the channel growing. Thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next one.